Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fake nails out of a tea bag. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Durba. Thank you so much for commenting on my posts, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So, if you've been on my channel for a while, you will know that I did these tea bag nails about 3 months ago, and to be honest, they were not looking real good, guys. They were hella crusty looking and they were not blended out properly. But today I'm going to show you how to make these nails, which are a lot more smooth, and also I'm going to show you the removal process. So first begin with some nail prep. First I sanitize my hands to clean them. And then I use the cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles. This will prevent lifting and also help the nails last longer. Then I took a nail buffer and lightly buffed the surface of my nails. This also helps them last longer. Next I took a base coat and applied 2 coats of this to my natural nails. This will protect them from damage and also make the removal process a lot easier. Now I'm taking a tea bag and I've already dashed the insides into the bin because we ain't going to be needing that. And then I cut them into strips so that I can create tips out of them. Here I'm just separating the layers, and by the way I'm going to put alternatives in the description. So if you don't have any of the stuff that I used today, you can check out some other items you can use. So now I'm going to cut out the shape that I want. You want to make sure that it fits your nails perfectly from side to side. Next, use the same base coat from earlier and apply a strip of this to the top of your natural nail. And then before it dries, apply the tea bag tip. You want to really press down so that the tea bag absorbs the nail polish so that it sticks on better. By the way guys, comment down below any video ideas or suggestions that you might have and want me to try out. Next, take any nail glue. I'm just going to use this one and apply it to the entire tea bag tip and let that dry. Don't worry, we are going to fix the shape properly after we do this step. Also, leave a little gap at the top so that you can pinch the tip so that the nails don't be flat and instead they kind of curve. That's really important. If you don't leave a gap, it's probably going to stick to your fingers, so be really careful about that. Now the nail will be slightly harder so you can shape your nails however you like. Trim them down and shape them. I did a coffin shape. Then you want to set aside some cornstarch and apply nail glue to the whole tip. Then dip this into cornstarch. Repeat for all your nails and wait about 30 seconds for each layer to dry. Then take any brush and just brush off the excess cornstarch and just repeat this step a few times. I did it about 4 times including the underside. The nail will be really hard and strong as you'll see later on. And that was me struggling to open the nail glue, but we move. Here I'm just showing you when I did the underside. Now I'm taking this nail file and first I'm going to shape the sides to get them nice and straight. Then I just buffed over the part where the tip and my natural nail meet so that I can blend it in really nicely. Then I buffed over the rest to get rid of any bumps and ridges, and I've got these 2-in-1 nail file buffers from Poundland if you're wondering, and it's quite good in my opinion. Finally, I just put on a coat of base coat. And you're done. As you can see, they are very natural looking and they look really cute. You can paint them and stuff, but now I'm going to be showing the removal process in like 20 seconds. Lol, I mistimed that one. So first, cut off the extension. And then use a nail file to file down as close to your natural nail as possible. Then soak a cotton pad in some nail polish remover and soak your natural nail for around 10 to 15 minutes. After that, it should be really easy to remove since we did use a base coat underneath. And then finally, I just rehydrated my nails using some cuticle oil. And you're done. As you can see, there is no damage to the nail or anything. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!